Welcome back to Life and Hair. This is the place where we explore what the reality of wearing hair is on a day-to-day basis, be it during the day or zhuzhing it up for an evening out or a special date, and everything in between. I showed you the Aida hair topper from Uniwigs. Absolutely beautiful. When I had her on last time, she was pretty much straight out of the box. The highlights did all the work. 130% density, here she is, meant that there was no separation at the back. The coverage is amazing, and that hand in hand with the 8.5 by 9 inch cap, as you can see here, and the monofilament top with the beautiful lace front, which I have cut, very easy to do and temple to temple, made it so that it gave you so much additional hair, it just looked like you had a thick, healthy, natural head of hair, which is what we all crave. I don't mind telling you that I'm a bit of a hair creep. I'm a great admirer of what thick, lustrous hair looks like on both men and women. I don't mind. Now, this colour is Mousse Brown, and she is 16 inches long. You can see how naturally cut and tapered she is. She certainly has got very gentle layers. When she's brushed out, she falls feathered and natural looking at the front. There is a danger with these types of toppers, and if you've got hair loss towards the front of your head, that you might actually put them a little bit too far back. Now, I want to show you the process of applying this beautiful topper and transforming this really rather sad look to an altogether more dynamic and more exciting visual spectacle. I do happen to be going out tonight, and how many of us can relate to this? I have put my makeup on, I've chosen what I want to wear. It's a very warm venue, so something soft and light like this, and I thought I would curl, or at least put a wave in the Aida topper and apply it, and it will look soft and in keeping with this kind of smock top. Here I have got some wig tape. This is actually the size and the shape that they come in. As you can see, it's gently curved. I have cut one lengthwise, and I'm going to also just cut it just where my hairline starts. Don't try and rip this off once you come to take your topper off, because it will rip the hair out with it. You can buy a special adhesive loosening spray that will just take the stickiness out of it, and it will just fall out of your hair. I found that works very well. Let's apply the topper and really get to appreciate what those waves can give you. She's very easy to apply. Just flip her over the top of your head. Line that lace front with where your hairline starts, and start gently clipping down. The clips all the way around. You scoop your bio hair and clip it into place. This cap is very comfortable. That's something I really want you to know. It's beautifully curved and it sits very comfortably on your head. There's no snagging or pulling. Just press down on that adhesive. There is no movement here. That's the lovely thing about toppers. They're very, very natural. You can treat them like they're part of your hair. You don't have to worry about any ear tabs or wig caps at the front. You can wear this real hair topper with a chunky scarf or a turtleneck. Your hair will be mainly in contact with the clothing, and it will prolong the life of your topper. This is definitely the look that I was hoping for today. Now just take a look at what this topper actually gives me in real terms. She comes to around bra strap length, that's the 16 inches, but there are other lengths on the website, shorter and longer. They start from 12 inches and up. Now you can see the gentle curl that I've put in her. I love that kind of effortless, casual, but dressy boho vibe that this gently waving hair gives. I never imagined that I could be enjoying hair like this at my age. Let's just brush her out a little and let's see how she looks when those gentle waves are brushed out somewhat. Although I loved the slick, straight look before I curled her, as I'm going out tonight, I wanted something a little different. People do change their hair up from time to time, and it's perfectly acceptable to curl her up to give you a little bit of a different look, brushing her away from the face. Makes her fall in a beautiful way, perfectly accentuated with those blonde highlights on either side. Going out like this with her loose is a wonderful thing that I'm going to really enjoy. But of course, you can always put her up too. hope you've enjoyed this review, and I very much look forward to reviewing another Uniweeks topper. And I do wish you all a very wonderful Christmas, and I look forward to speaking to you again soon. Take care.